What is up? It's Hot for Food approved with a special edition of UK products. So I found out about the Vegan Kind market online from a friend of mine, Russell of Roller Coaster Vegan, and he had ordered some stuff around the holidays, some special edition UK holiday treats, and I was like, that looks amazing. So I'm gonna make an order. It finally came. I actually did it in the new year, so I didn't order it at Christmas. It didn't take that long actually to get here. I think just about a week. I've linked the Vegan Kind in the description below. This is not sponsored. I paid for this order. It ended up coming to about $51 US, and I got 6 items. That doesn't sound like very much, and it sounds expensive, but obviously if you live in the UK, it's not gonna be as expensive for you. I'm talking about like with the exchange rate and the shipping that I had to pay for. And if you're ordering into North America, you can only get the non-refrigerated products. But these things are things that I wouldn't be able to get otherwise, and so it's very exciting. I have never tried these products. I'm gonna be trying them for the first time today. Super stoked on trying the vegan cheese and red onion from Bosch, the collaboration they did with Kettle. Now, one thing I gotta say is this is not a normal sized bag of Kettle chips. I don't know if this is the size y'all get in the UK, but it's smaller than the kind of Kettle chips we get here, but it's larger than the like little to-go gas station bag. So maybe you just have different sizes in the UK. Now, Sheese is a brand of cheese, and I love Sheese, actually. They used to be awful, they improved, so I'm assuming that's the product they're using. Unless, yes, because it looks like the logo. On the back anyways, it's the logo for Sheese. All right, no artificial flavors. I'm excited! I suppose this is like sour cream and onion, but a little more gourmet, red onion. I think they got a little crushed in shipping. Now these are not like Kettle chips at all. Not the kind we have in North America. These are actually like, almost more like a Lay's potato chip. They're very thin. Our Kettle chips are thicker. Yeah, these are more like a Lay's potato chip sort of vibe in terms of their thinness. They're very delicious. Wow. Just like sour cream and onion, a little more depth actually. These are amazing. Now I'm sad I only have this small bag. These must be savored. Good job to Bosch. Not gonna lie, I was a little jealous about this collaboration because this was like, I was like, damn, this would be so cool. And when I say jealous, I mean like, I'm excited for them. I'm not jealous, but like part of you is like, oh damn, I wish I could do that. But we're working on it, we're working on it. Okay, these are good. I have to say the UK is like killing it in terms of like vegan food, collaborations with vegan chefs, just like, I feel like there's a whole scene going on over there that's a little bit bigger, more mainstream, I would say maybe than here. I don't know, maybe that's just because like you always think the grass is always greener, but like, just seems like there's a lot more acceptance by the mainstream food industry. All right, those are good. Totally approved. Keeping in mind, it's 11:30 a.m. my time and I haven't eaten anything but coffee. I'm gonna shoot 3 of these episodes in a row, so I was like, I'm gonna be eating a lot of crap. I better just not even eat breakfast. Okay. I'm very stoked about these Pruitt's gorgeously gluten-free jammy wheels. They are reminding me of, what's that brand? Peak Freens, that would have like the cream, the biscuit, and then the jelly jam in the center with the little sugar crystals on it. Those were like one of my favorite cookies of all time. I don't believe those are accidentally vegan, although I haven't really checked. I don't think they are. So we're gonna try these jammy wheels. Gluten-free shortcake biscuits with a raspberry flavored filling. So it doesn't look like there's an icing in here, so they're a little bit different. But I thought that's what they would be like, or those biscuits I'm talking about. Jammy wheels, that sounds very UK. Interesting. All right, so there's no sugar crystals on the top, but pretty close. The biscuit looks amazing, like shortbread, like it's crumbly. You can see the lines in it. The jam is a jelly, it's a little hard. I wish it had the sugar crystals. The jelly smells amazing. Sometimes I would open them up. Let's not, oh, see, there's no icing. It really could do with an icing. There's like nothing in the middle. Just a couple of dry biscuits and a very small amount of jam. Okay, let's just take a bite as a whole thing. It would be great if there was a vanilla icing in the center. Otherwise, what is the point of it being a sandwich? It's okay. The gluten-free is kind of what's taking it down a few notches. The jam tastes just like those Peak Freeze jelly cookies. It needs the icing. Okay, these aren't approved. But like, they're edible. But having to be approved is not just that it's edible. It has to be outstanding. It has to be something I want to buy again. And these are not those. We're 1 out of 2 so far. If you really want a wonderful jammy cookie, I suggest making my Empire cookies on hotforfoodblog.com. Let's go to savory. We'll keep on the gluten-free bandwagon here. I have the Deliciously Ella baked veggie crackers, sweet potato and rosemary. Deliciously Ella, of course, is a huge Instagrammer. She has a few books. She's got also her Bliss Balls that she sells, which were sold out on the site because I tried to order that. So I could only order the crackers. Didn't know she had crackers. I will say the one odd thing on here says, for allergens, see ingredients in bold. May contain milk produced in a facility that handles milk. It's fine. If it says may contain, it just means they have to say that because it's in a facility that contains milk products that are being made within the same facility. They're still vegan products, okay? It's like a very slim chance that there would actually be milk in here. So we don't worry about that because that doesn't matter. That is a small minor issue. Unless you're severely allergic, don't worry. Basically what that probably means is she's co-packing with facility, right? Obviously you gotta like get your shit made where you can get it made. Now a really good cracker means you can eat it without cheese or anything. It means it's delicious on its own. It says sweet potato and rosemary, but the base is rice flour, cassava flour, sweet potato flour, corn flour, whole grain rice flour, brown rice syrup, chia, and then the spices. Nigella seeds. What are Nigella seeds? I'm gonna assume that's probably just the British word for a seed that I already am aware of, but maybe it's a caraway seed. Initially, they have a little bit of a cheesiness, but then it goes away as you continue to eat it. You know, I wish these were sold on the airplanes. The airplanes are really lacking in good snacks. This would be a great airplane snack that they could sell off the cart. Maybe it already is in the UK. Even the Bliss Balls, those would be good as a plain snack. It does need some cheese, I'm not gonna lie. I'll eat those later with some tree-lined cheese. If I'm not immediately like approved, then I'm just not like I'm in love with it, but these are good. And if you can get them very accessibly where you live, then go right ahead. But I obviously wouldn't order them online again. We have this Love Raw cream-filled wafer bars. Don't know what that means. There's 2 bars in here. I don't know what this is comparable to. It says vegan chocolate that tastes like chocolate. Great, I hope. 2 hazelnut-filled wafers with a chocolate coating. Cool, okay. See if there's anything weird in the ingredients. Nope, looks pretty standard to me. Looks like a cute couple that makes these. No palm oil, no artificial nonsense, and vegan. Hazelnut-filled wafers. Okay, now you open up the package and then you have 2 more packagings, which that is a flaw, but that's okay. Why have we done this? I don't know. Okay, I gotta show you the inside. It does have an amazing creamy filling here. It's about 32 degrees Celsius here in Los Angeles. It's officially summer for some reason, so this is a little melty. Probably should have kept it in the fridge. It's got a little bit of a softness happening. Whoa. Definitely seems like milk chocolate. Plus that inside is very creamy. And you know, I miss that wafery thing like coffee crisp, like wafers. Like you can't eat that as a vegan. There's no wafer stuff. This is good. It's very delectable and gourmet. It feels like I can only have like 1 more square and I'm done. We'll save the rest. Oh yeah. Whoa, that is approved. because I never had anything like this as a vegan. And I have to say, a lot of the vegan chocolate bars are not good. The chocolate never tastes like chocolate, or it's chalky or waxy. That's very good. Are you ready for the weird item that I got? These Mackies of Scotland turkey and stuffing potato crisps. What the hell? Turkey and stuffing flavored. Okay, these are, I guess, maybe accidentally vegan? Yeah. Meaning there's no, it says suitable for vegans and vegetarians on the back. That's amazing. I feel like I've seen these Mackies chips maybe somewhere at like a specialty shop in North America, but I don't know that I've ever tried them. Certainly not this flavor. Whoa. Smells like turkey and stuffing. Okay. It's subtle, but you can smell the turkey. Wow. Now these are potato crisps. I get why the kettle chips are the way they are. Those are like UK potato chips. Crisps, they have a lightness to them. All right, here we go. Turkey and stuffing festive flavor. I'm sure these are limited edition, and like I said, I was still getting some holiday stock when I ordered on the website. That was crazy. It's subtle, which I like. If it was like too overwhelming in flavor, you wouldn't really want to eat them. See how I'm eating like a weirdo? I'm like, the flavor of the turkey is really, it's like creating a cloud, and then the stuffing's on the inside of that cloud, which is funny because it's like turkey with stuffing. The turkey isn't the strongest flavor until it gets to the back of the throat, and until you can like open your mouth with a chip in it, you get some turkey essence. Actually, it's like turkey and stuffing and mashed potatoes because you have the potato also. What a genius little treat these people have made. Now this is interesting. Turkey and stuffing flavor seasoning. Yeast extract powder, onion powder, rice flour, salt, spices, coriander, black pepper, pimento, natural flavoring, sugar, and herbs, thyme and parsley. But it says suitable for vegetarians and vegans, because people will say, oh, you don't know what natural flavors is. But not all natural flavors or artificial, like natural flavors is, again, the nuance of artificial versus natural is very negligible. But they're not always animal derived. Okay, these are very interesting. I still like the Bosch chips better. These are good, these are really interesting. I probably wouldn't ever want them again, but I would want people to try them. So I think that means they're approved. Because I feel like if you're gonna order from the site and you can find these, get a bag to try them. Very herby too, which I like. I've never had a potato chip that tastes like this. Wow. I've saved what I hope is the best for last, and I say that because it's a limited edition product that comes in a lovely box. This was part of their Christmas stock. I might have bought it on sale, I can't really remember. It says handmade in Derbyshire, free from gelatin, dairy, eggs, and nuts. Gourmet selection chocolate marshmallow biscuit. And what I was hoping these would be like are Viva Puffs. It didn't say the word Viva Puff anywhere, but I was like, these hopefully are like Viva Puffs. I used to eat Viva Puffs all the time as a kid. The weirdest cookie ever invented. I've been wanting to make a vegan Viva Puff, but it just seems so complicated, so I have not bothered yet, but it's on my to-do list, which is very long. So this is kind of like a gift box. It's really cool, look at it. It's got our little legend, because there's 4 flavors. These look rich. Look at how big they are. Can you see the size? They are palm-sized cookies. They are not small. Look, bigger than my mouth. So apologies, but this one may not be available on the website anymore because it was a holiday thing. I'm gonna go with the Molten Mocha because I like coffee. Smooth coffee marshmallow sandwiched between 2 chocolate biscuits filled with a rich espresso chocolate ganache center and rolled in chunky Belgian chocolate. This is mad. Okay, so cute. It says eat me. Wow. It says eat me on both sides. It's got a glaze around the side. It's huge. I feel very indulgent biting into this right now. It's not like a Viva Puff at all. The marshmallow center is bizarre. In fact, I would hardly call it marshmallow, unfortunately. I see that it sort of is, but it's a bit textured, like chunky. I don't know. This is not what I was hoping for. Okay, I'm just gonna like open it because it's, see, this is not good. It's like all just falling apart. So the outside is coming out of the center, and the biscuit's a little soggy. And then this marshmallow thing is like gross. Oh no, sorry. It like reminds me of a soy curl. It's not marshmallow, it's too dense. It actually has a million holes, which is freaking me out. And then this Belgian chocolate center is like hard. I don't like it. Well, that's the risk I take. Okay, well, let's not harp on it. Okay, well, we didn't end on a high note. We need to go back to the kettle chips. Yeah, really the only two Hot for Food approved things are the Love Raw hazelnut cream-filled wafer bar and the cheese and red onion. Also, you know, these are approved. Just give them a try. I don't think I would buy them. They're not like, I don't want to keep coming back to them, but they're definitely worth a shot. I think you'll like them if you can find them. I just really like that smell. That was Hot for Food approved. Thanks for watching.